Hi everyone. In this yet another basement restoration video, we'll change the bootlid struts or the Dicky Struts. These struts have gotten weak and it sometimes gets stuck somewhere in between. I recall on a very heated day, these struts really fail and the bootlid would just come down. So it's a safety hazard. Let's replace it. It's very simple. You can see that it got stuck here. Replacing the struts is very simple. You have two M6 hex-set bolts here, similarly two M6 nuts, so socket size 10. And these are struts from Munjal Showa, the OE struts. Ditto for the other side as well. So let's change this. I've got the replacement set from Motherson. Motherson is a very popular OE part manufacturer. They supply a lot of parts to car manufacturers. A strut costs about 453 and the struts are different for different sides. Guys, be very careful when you remove the strut because the moment you remove one strut, the bootlet will start falling down. So you need to have a support. So I just have a makeshift method of holding the bootlet in place using a stick. Now what we'll do is we'll remove the strut from the bootlet. Secure the strut in place by hand tightening the bolts. We can use a wrench later. As always, don't over tighten these bolts and strip the threading inside. You really don't need a torque wrench or something, just hand tightening is sufficient. Secure the other end of the strut to the C-pillar of the body. That's all, very simple. Now repeat the same process on the left side. Again, don't over tighten these nuts. That's all. Now let's try closing this. Nice, it has gotten like really strong now. It is taking a wee bit extra force to close the hatch now, but it's better to be on the safer side. Guys, just a heads up, if these bump stops have given away, it's better to replace them because that's the one that goes and strikes on the body. And since it's made of rubber, there's a good chance it may deteriorate over time. Now let's take a quick look at the parts used. This is a strut for the left side from Motherson. This is a strut for the right side. These are the parts from the parts diagram.